Is it time to buy or sell SOXL ETF? In this video, we're diving deep into SOXL. Our initial report was published on our website on Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Remember to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. You don't want to miss any crucial updates that could impact your investments. Enhance your trading decisions by trying our newly launched AI stock analysis tool, powered by GPT-4, that's StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and get free price predictions and deep analysis for any one among 45,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered as financial advice. Since March 25, 2025, our system has identified SOXL as a sell candidate, assigning it a score of negative 4.76. Now, let's examine the performance of the ETF during this time frame. The ETF has recorded a loss of negative 20.88%. This results in an average daily loss of negative 2.98% since it was categorized as a sell candidate. The exchange-traded fund is positioned at the lower end of a broad and declining trend in the short term, which typically presents a favorable buying opportunity. If the lower trend floor at $15.43 is breached, it will first suggest a more pronounced rate of decline. The current 3-month trend indicates a potential decrease of approximately 39.38% over the next 3 months, with possible returns ranging from a decline of 42.48% to a decrease of 10.05%. In examining the longer term, our 12-month analysis points to a projected change of about 38.62%. Our calculations suggest that the stock's performance could vary from a decline of 73.76% to an increase of 77.25% over the next year. In current terms, this would position the future price somewhere between $4.27 and $28.82. Our latest daily update for SOXL includes the headline, Significant Fluctuations in SOXL ETF Price on Wednesday, moving 12.31% between high and low. The SOXL ETF price increased by 1.94% on the last trading day, which was Wednesday, the 2nd of April, 2025, rising from $15.95 to $16.26. During that day, the ETF fluctuated by 12.31%, with a low of $15.04 and a high of $16.89. The price has declined in 7 out of the last 10 days and is down by 20.22% for this period. Volume increased on the last day alongside the price, which is a positive technical indicator, with a total of 17 million more shares traded compared to the previous day. In total, 121 million shares were bought and sold for approximately $1.98 billion. Over the past 52 weeks, the highest price of the ETF was $70.08, while the lowest price was $14.40. Currently, the price is 76.80%, or $53.82, below the 52-week high, and 95.70%, or $361.98, below the all-time high reached on the 26th of November, 2020, when the price was $378.24. Direction Daily Semiconductor Bull 3x Shares Exchange Traded Fund, or SOX, is currently facing significant challenges as the semiconductor industry experiences volatility. Recently, SOX has seen a steep decline, dropping 62% from its 2024 high, and is currently trading around $26.30. This downturn has been attributed to emerging signs that the artificial intelligence bubble may be deflating, impacting the demand for the semiconductor chips that drive this technology. Furthermore, competition in the artificial intelligence graphics processing unit market is intensifying, with major players such as Google and Amazon developing custom graphics processing units that threaten NVIDIA's market share. This shift is compressing margins and causing additional strain on SOX performance. The fund has also struggled with tracking errors compared to its benchmark index, raising concerns about its efficiency amidst these market pressures. While some investors may perceive recent price drops as a buying opportunity, it is crucial to acknowledge the ongoing risks. The semiconductor sector's vital role in economic growth remains, but short-term fluctuations could lead to further volatility. This environment suggests a cautious outlook for SOX in the short term, as its performance may be highly sensitive to market conditions and competitive dynamics. In the long run, while the fundamentals of semiconductor demand may support recovery, investors must remain vigilant regarding the ongoing competitive and economic shifts impacting SOX. The balance of risk and reward is ever present, especially in such a leveraged investment. The following signals have been identified for SOX. Currently, there are mixed signals in the exchange-traded fund. The SOXL ETF displays sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, indicating a more negative outlook. Additionally, there is an overall sell signal based on the relationship between these two indicators, as the long-term average is positioned above the short-term average. During upward corrections, resistance may be encountered at levels of $17.33 and $21.90. A breakout above either of these levels would trigger buy signals. A buy signal was generated from a pivot bottom point on Monday, March 31st, 2025, and thus far, the ETF has risen by 1.94%. Further increases are anticipated until a new top pivot is established. Additionally, a buy signal is present from the 3-month moving average convergence divergence. As volume increases alongside price, this is regarded as a favorable technical indicator. Here are some other signals you might find interesting. Moving average convergence divergence, buy signal. Pivots, buy signal 3 days ago. Bollinger, buy signal 73 days ago. Short-term moving average, sell signal 7 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 28 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we see short moving average, buy signal 9 days ago. Long-term moving average, sell signal 30 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages, buy signal 165 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Support, risk, and stop loss for SOXL. SOXL finds support from accumulated volume at $16.03. This level may present a buying opportunity, as an upward reaction is expected when the support is tested. This exchange-traded fund is known for its daily movements and has a broad prediction interval from the Bollinger Band, categorizing it as high risk. Over the last day, the ETF fluctuated by $1.85 between its high and low, reflecting a change of 12.31%. In the past week, the ETF recorded an average daily volatility of 9.78%. Now let's discuss some potential day trading levels for SOX. In the event of an upward trend, the first resistance level for SOX is at $17.41. If you do not currently own any shares, you may want to wait for this level to be surpassed before entering a position. For those already holding the exchange-traded fund, this could be a point to consider for swing trading. On the downside, SOX encounters its first support level at $16.03. If this support level holds, it could present a good entry point, anticipating a rebound. We currently hold a negative evaluation for this exchange-traded fund, and there is no stop loss in place. Is SOXL ETF a good buy? Currently, SOXL displays several negative indicators, suggesting it is likely to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. As a result, we have adjusted our assessment of this ETF, moving from a strong sell to a sell candidate. After examining the volatility and price movements from the last trading day, our analysis indicates that the current price is overvalued. For trading on Thursday, the 3rd of April, we anticipate that SOXL will open lower by approximately 197 cents, starting at $16.06. We remind you that trading involves a high risk of losing money and that you should consult with a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. It is important not to base your investment decisions on StockInvest.us. By using this information, you acknowledge that you are responsible for your own investment choices. This is our current view of the exchange-traded fund. Do you agree or disagree? Please comment below and share your thoughts. What is your target for the exchange-traded fund? Remember to like and subscribe. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. With regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.